Whoa, 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 wow. Morning, welcome back to Parrot。我是你们的主持人 Gabriel。今天我们要去一个近的地方。The weather report said in the coming 10 days it's gonna be raining again. I mean every day. 天气预报说接下来10天都会连续降雨，所以趁着有机会，赶紧带他们出去飞。Okay, don't bite, don't bite. "25 minutes. Let's go." Cheers, mate. This is C5 to 10. It's wide open, but bad thing about here is there's still cars moving fast around here. 我们到了 C5 的 tent， 还行，挺开阔的，但问题是它附近还是有比较多的车在开，还开得比较快，这是唯一的风险。Make sure you have a tracker before you finally bring your birds to outdoor free fly. Even not Marshall, but some tracker. Because outdoor fly, there's a lot of uncertainty you cannot control. 就你最终决定带你的鸟到户外飞行，你一定要有 tracker。tracker 就是这种跟踪器吧，不管你是不是用的像我们这个比较贵的马歇尔 GPS， 你哪怕是那种手机用的呢，总比没有强。因为户外飞行这个叫不可控因素确实非常多，还是要特别注意，要做好充分准备吧。Okay, that's it. Yeah, they're both okay. No way. 你来 ，Coffee. Wait. 哎呀，对。Starting. We just wait for starting to start.
Baba mo? Bakit? Bakit baba mo?
Lock na sila. Huwag mo dyan. Nice one.
No one is there. I can see no one, but I don't know where is Luffy.
Dari ka rumangat yung budget.
Oh, Luffy is on the light pole, so it's okay. Let Noah fly. Longer time and farther distance. Bia! Beautiful. Pure joy. Life sucks. Why not enjoy now? The moment.
Lagi siya ulat ng tulan.
Good. One landed. A bunch of small birds coming. Whoa. Wow. Good, so good. 就是菲律宾的零食啊 ，That's a rice cake.
Can open this.
Yeah, that's a rice
That's the
cake.
puto, the rice cake. That's the sapin-sapin.
Ah,
Ano yung isa kuya? Kopya? Nilubak. O buksan mo para makikita niya.
just film it.
Open and see.
Ah, okay.
That's the cochinta.
Cochinta.
This is the nilupak. This is the like a sweet.
Peanut butter.
No. Ano? Yema. It's
Yema.
called yema.
Okay.
It's made of condensed milk,
Alaska.
and sugar,
Oh, sugar.
and this is coconut.
Ah, yeah. I know this one. Although I'm not a fan of sugar, but it looks good.
It's not
Thank you.
Oy, tama na! Oy!
Hindi naman nila maalala.
Bakit Spurs?
What? He likes you. Maybe really because of color.
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's Wednesday morning free fly, or short free fly. So follow and subscribe, give you a thumbs up, and leave your comment below. Let me know. Okay. Bye bye. See you next time.